resources. So What's Bugging You New York is going to be presented by Joellen Lampman, who's in the school and turfgrass IPM extension support specialist for New York State Integrated Pest Management. Thanks, Joellen.
I'm really happy to be here, and isn't this fun? We get to talk about all this fun stuff that we could do with IPM, and I'm going to switch gears a little bit rather than talk specifically about vegetable gardening. This is more of a general resource that we have for the public of New York. So let's get started. We didn't really talk about the New York State Integrated Pest Management Program, so I'll just give a really quick overview. The program really focuses on research, demonstrations, education, and outreach to New Yorkers. We really started off reaching out to agriculture, and you're going to meet a lot of our agricultural educators throughout these 2 days. And we have specialists that really focus on fruits, vegetables, livestock, and field crops and ornamental crops. But I work on the community IPM portion of it, and we were one of the first states to have a community IPM team. And I just want to introduce these people to you very briefly, just show you their wonderful faces. I have the best coworkers in the entire world, and we're just here with our various levels of expertise to be able to help you with any of the pest questions that you have. And again, a lot of these faces are going to be showing up through the next couple of days, so reach out. All right, so you're here, you're listening to our conference, so you are internet savvy. So we're really going to do a lot of focusing for this resources on what we have available through our website. And I know that Deb is going to be linking the chats to this so that you can grab them and bookmark them on your own browsers. So our New York State IPM website is where you can get all kinds of information. And depending on what you're interested in, you can go to the agricultural section, community, specific environmental information, and that's going to include things like biocontrol, which there seems to be a lot of interest in, resources, including this and past annual conferences that we've done, and what's bugging you. And right here on our banner, you can see that we are advertising What's Bugging You First Friday events, which is a brand new thing that we're doing this year, brought to you under the auspices of Matt Fry and Amara Dunn. And so just a little bit of promotion. These are some of the topics that are going to come out. We actually have them scheduled out into early 2022. So these are very quick presentations. They're about 20 minutes long for the larger topic. And then we have tagged on to the end what we call the IPM Minute. So this is just a really brief introduction to an issue that we're seeing out there in New York that we think that people will be very interested in. And these are going to be live, but they are also available on our YouTube video after we get the captions set. We also have the What's Bugging You web page. And this is going to bring you and drill you into specific pest issues that you have. I do want to say that this is a work in progress. So if you go to our website right now, this is not what you're going to see. This is new and improved. We're going to get them up really quickly within the next month. But we have a lot of variety of things that you might be having issues with, from mammals like bats to stinging insects to mosquitoes and ticks and all kinds of different pest issues. Don't Get Ticked in New York is basically the gold standard for What's Bugging You. We're able to do this because we got support from the New York State Senate Task Force on Lyme and tick-borne diseases. So we're able to hire a graphic designer. This is what we would love all our What's Bugging You pages to look like. If you have any tick questions, please go to this website. Frequently asked questions, videos, posters, you want it, you can find it here. And then we also have a blog post that you can subscribe to. This is contributed from all of the IPM staff that we have. So you'll find things on specific pesticides like permethrin treated clothing or weeds or spotted lanternfly, whatever the hot issues of the day are. And we also have our YouTube video where you can go if you like to see people talking and interactive. This is the best resource for you to go to. So that was it in a really quick summary. There is the New York State IPM website again. We are also available on numerous social media channels, so you can catch us there as well.